Have you ever thought about how to best safeguard your sensitive information within your infrastructure? Today, we're diving headfirst into setting up HashiCorp Vault, a potent secret management solution. While Vault can adapt to complex setups, we'll focus on the single-inst configuration, a great way to get started. First, let's prepare by downloading and installing the Vault software tailored to your operating system. This could be Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Next, we'll configure Vault. This involves specifying a storage backend, where Vault will keep your secrets and other data, and configuring a listener to accept incoming requests. Then, you select your storage backend. This can be a file system, a database, or cloud-based object storage. The listener configuration tells Vault how to accept connections, such as over HTTP or HTTPS. Then, configure the address and port. After our basic configuration is done, running the Vault server will enable Vault to start listening for connections. Now for the fun part, initialization. When Vault starts, it's sealed, which protects the content. Initialization creates the necessary encryption keys and root tokens, providing the mechanisms for handling your secrets. Once initialized, you'll see unseal keys and the root token in the single instance configuration. You'll likely use the single unseal key provided. Unsealing your Vault to begin its use. The unseal process is critical, as you need all the right keys to access your data. Voila! You are now in. Vault is ready to store, protect, and manage your most important secrets. You have a robust and secure hub for all your sensitive information.